Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back my YouTube channel. Assalamu alaikum. How are you viewers? Hope so you are also fine and fit and good enjoy with season and weather and always waiting for my new arrival videos because I should want to a beautiful, charming, sharply beseeching, cute, and eminent imploring videos. I would full try for a beautiful and different ideas in every pic, every dress. Not a same dresses. Previous my videos have a same dresses, but nowadays I would be a make beautiful and different. Every dress had a different design and different colors combinations. Okay, don't skip any part of my video because every part had a different beautiful design of a pretty dresses. um Everyone and every girls want to a beautiful dresses, therefore I will bringing a beautiful and sharply beauteous and as a pretty as a picture of the dresses. Mm, Please don't forget me a YouTube channel and shares likes and don't forget push the bell icon because bell icon is sign of arrival of my new videos of a different dresses. Okay, because my all dresses are a different dresses and different beautiful dresses of a dresses. Okay, then we move toward a different elegance and aquatic, glamorous, attractive, magically dresses. And let's we are describe a different designs. Then we are making different ideas of dresses, and all the dresses are had a note different and complex because there are very simple and beautiful and good looking and not wearing of a heavy dresses because some people had not like to a wearing of heavy dresses. Therefore I will bring you a beautiful and light dresses with a beautiful dresses. Okay, hope so you are also like my video and don't forget me in your prayers because health is very important for every person. Health is the basic backbone of a succeed. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget me in your prayers. Always you and me with each other.